Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer photo from laptop to your phone with just your USB wire. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you have your cable wire. So you have to make sure you insert this USB here into your laptop or computer USB port, just like so. I'm going to insert it this way. Okay, now when you insert it, next thing you need to do is to make sure you insert this into your charging point on your phone, just like so. Then this is going to pump up. Okay, then from your phone, select media. Okay, having select media, so automatically this is going to be connected to your PC. Then, so from your PC, you are going to see the phone data information, just like what you see on the screen of this video right here. So what I'm going to do next is to simply minimize. Then I have to head over to the picture that I want to send to this phone. So from my AI images right here, so I want to send this picture right here. You are going to see the phone information right here. So the phone I'm using here is ITEL P37. You have to see it on your PC. Now you have to navigate to the picture that you want to send from your laptop to your phone. So I'm going to send this particular picture right here. Then you have to press Ctrl key down if you are selecting from different picture. So I'm pressing Ctrl key down. I want to send this one also. Then I'll press Ctrl key down. I want to send this one also. Then I want to send this one also. Ctrl key down and select this one. So probably I have selected about 5 images. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply right click on it. Then you have to look for then you have to look for the ITEL P37, which is the phone that was connected to the PC. So select the name of the phone. Once you select the name of the phone, this is going to pump up on the screen, just like so. And then you have to exercise a little bit patience to make sure that the file completely load up. So just like so, after you successfully send the picture to your phone, you can simply go to your phone and check on the photo from the phone gallery. So I'm going to head over to my file manager right here. So my file manager right here. Then from my file manager, you can see all the picture right here, just like so. So I can simply click on it and view the picture. This is the first one, this is second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Simple as that. So this is how to send photo from your laptop to your phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.